Quijuandas. Welcome back for another video. It's a different setup. We gonna try this little vlogging thing out because when I came back, I wanted to come back consistent, and y'all know my hair. I just can't pump out as many hair videos as I was before since I'm trying to give my edges a little bit of a break. But today is definitely a big day in the royal household. We are closing on our first home. It is March 25th. My birthday's tomorrow, the 26th. Boo's birthday is Saturday, the 28th. So I guess you can say a house is our birthday gift to ourselves. So, you know, God is good. We're at the house right now to do our final walkthrough, make sure everything is in order. And then a little bit later, we'll be signing the closing documents. So we're going to take y'all with us.
That's it. I'm gonna lock it up, rekey it, and then I'll hand the keys off to settlers. So after you close and fund, y'all pick the keys up from the seller.
All right, thank you.
All right.
You a curtsy. We're not giving you a handshake.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
So the walkthrough went well. There weren't any issues. Everything looked good. Now I'm on my way to pick up lunch. It's actually a little bit later in the day. If y'all haven't noticed, my bun is different. It was leaning. I ain't like the way it was leaning. So we had to fix that real quick. But I'm about to go to the bank and pick up lunch because I'm hungry and these people don't want their money. My pleasure. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Nervous, but ready.
You look nice.
Oh, girl.
Say hi. 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 Oh no. Hi. Hi. Where you going? Alright y'all, it's been a long day, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you so much for coming along with us as we start this exciting new journey. Stay tuned for our home updates and all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all you people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.